everybody, welcome back to another grilling video, and today we're going to be smoking something on the PitBoss pellet smoker. And it's kind of the craze. It's been all over Instagram, it's been on YouTube, but I've got to try it. It sounds good. We are going to do smoked cream cheese. So pretty simple. I have just a small piece of foil here. I'm doing it on a tray just because it'll be easier to hold. I'm going to spray that real well just to keep it from sticking. And then we are going to open up our block of cream cheese and we're going to add some rub. Use whatever rub you like. I would definitely do one that has some spice and sugar both in it. So what I'm going to do here is I want to season all sides of this. So I'm going to start on this side before I flip it over onto the tray that we'll smoke it on. Use your favorite rub. This one is a combination of salt, pepper, garlic, and some sugar as well. I want to get all sides of this, so. All right, now we're just going to go ahead and lay it right down on our tray, and I'm going to flip this over so I don't have to try to handle it in any way. And now we're going to season that side as well. Make sure we got a good coating all over the whole outside of this guy. And it's as simple now as putting this right on the smoker. You can just put the foil right on top of your grates, or I'm going to do mine on this tray, just because I think if it melts or anything, it'll be fine. What we want to do is cook it for about 90 minutes to 2 hours at 225 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and fire up our smoker at 225 degrees. We'll let this get up to temperature before we put it on. You always want to let your pellet smoker get up to temperature. When it first ignites, it has this thick, heavy, white, smoldering smoke, and that's not a flavor you want to infuse in your food. So, you know, sometimes you'll think, oh, I'll just put it on now, I'll turn it on, it'll be fine, it'll sit there, it'll be okay. But you really don't want that taste. It's not going to be a pleasant taste. By the way, we are running what they call competition blend in here. It is a mixture of several different woods. It's easy to use, and honestly, I figure it's going to be just fine for this smoked cream cheese. So we'll let this go until it starts smoking and gets up to temperature, and then we'll pop this on. All right, so our grill is preheated at 225, and now we're just going to go ahead and put this in. I'm going to put this on the upper shelf just to avoid any direct heat very close to the fire pot. We'll check on this probably about every 30 minutes or so, but it's going to take 90 minutes to 2 hours to get this good and smoky. You might think you have to do it at a lower temperature. My understanding is 225 is fine. That's the reason why I want to check on it every so often. I'll let you know. All right, so we're at about an hour and 15 minutes or so. Let me kind of show you what this looks like. And there we have it. You can see it's got this nice smoky exterior. It's softened up just a little bit. Boy, that's looking good. We'll let that go for another 45 minutes or so. All right, this has been right at about 2 hours and 15 minutes, and it's ready to come off of here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what this looks like, and we'll get it pulled out and put right out here to just cool for a few minutes before we give it a bit of a taste test. But it looks phenomenal. Check this out. Does that not look amazing? Let's go ahead and pull this out. Just go ahead and place this right up here. We'll let this cool for a few minutes, but man, that looks good. There you have it. I mean, it's not a very difficult recipe. Take a little scoop of this stuff. I'm just doing it on a nice little Ritz cracker for a great flavor. That is phenomenal. It's creamy and silky from the cream cheese, yet it has this wonderful sort of bark and smoky flavor to it. A little bit of sweetness from the sugar that's in the rub that we did. What a great way to serve something that would be like a meat and cheese tray or fruit and cheese, and have this to serve on some little pita chips or crostini or crackers. Super, super side dish, easy to do, and you can just throw it in there when you're smoking something else. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, by all means, please do us a favor and like the video, share it with your friends, and check out these other videos. I think you might like these as well. There are other ones we've done on the PitBoss smoker as well. Thanks everybody, safe and happy grilling, and we'll see you next week. Part of the reason you want to let these get up to temperature, so part of the reason you want to let, course, they're mowing the lawn next door, of course.